Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at the easiest way to solve quadratic equation. I mean the easiest way, the easiest approach to quadratic equation using factorization method. Let's look at the equation. X squared minus 7x plus 6 equals to 0. Now, when given a question like this, the first thing you do is you look for two numbers that when you multiply them, you have 6. When you add them, you have minus 7. So we first of all start by looking for the factors of 6. So we know that the factors of 6 are 2 and 3. But here's the problem. When you multiply 2 and 3, you have 6. But when you add 2 and 3, you have 5. So that's not what we are looking for. So you look for another factors of 6. We have 1 and 6. Now when 1 and 6 are being multiplied, they will give you 6. But when you add the two of them, they will give you 7. But here we still have an issue. We need to have minus 7. So what we do here is add minus here and add minus here. You know that when minus multiplies with minus, it will cancel out. So you have negative 7 when you add the two numbers, and you have positive 6 when you multiply them. So the next thing is just to bring out two brackets. And don't forget to equate to 0. So what do you do next? X here, X here. Bring in one of the numbers and bring in the second one. After here, equate each of the brackets to 0. You have x minus 1 equals to 0. So therefore, taking minus 1 to this other side, you have x to be equals to 1. And you do the same thing for the second bracket. X minus 6, equate it to 0. And taking minus 6 to this other side, you have 6x to be equals to 6. So we have our two values for x to be 1 and 6. Alright, here's the easiest approach. So just these two numbers, coefficient of x squared and the constant as usual, these two numbers will multiply to give you 8. So bring out the 8. Two numbers that when you multiply, they will give you 8, but when you add, they will give you 9. So go with 2 and 4. These two numbers will give you 8 when multiplied, but they will give you 6 when you add them. When you add this, it will give you 6. So this is not in the line. So we try another factor of 8, which is 1 and 8. You multiply this 1 and 8 to give you 9. To give you 8. Sorry for that. And you add this 1 and 8 to give you 9. So this gives us exactly what we are looking for. So from this 1 and 8, you have your answer. So divide by the coefficient of x, divide by the coefficient of x squared. So invert the sign. From here you simplify this to be minus 1 over 2, and you simplify this other one to be minus, you got it right. So these are your two values for x. Thank you for watching, and thumbs up, like the video and share. Thank you very much.